Skincare in 2024 is all about being natural and simple, using clean ingredients. Affordability is important, but yet effective. We have that now with the new LifeVantage True Science 4-part skin system using plant-based technology. Of course, our patented Nrf2 formulation is in every single one of these ingredients. It's a formula we all know and love very well, using other plant-based ingredients working in synergy with our own body's chemistry. So no longer do we need a whole system for acneic skin, a separate system for anti-aging, and a different system for sensitive skin. It's all right here for men and women of all different ages, using twice a day on face, neck, and décolleté. You're gonna see and feel a difference pretty quickly. Clean, it rates 0 to 1 on the Think Dirty app, which is huge. And by the way, it's TSA approved, so you can actually travel with this whole system. So the first thing we're gonna wanna do is prep our skin for the other ingredients, products that we're using. True Cleanse is an exfoliating cleanser. You're gonna put a pearl size amount in your palm of your hand, add some water, really emulsify it, and spend some time, you guys, 30 to 40 seconds cleansing your skin. Some people like for it to sit on their skin for an extra few seconds. You're gonna feel it activate. Some of you might feel it a little tingly. It's awesome. It's using pomegranate enzymes, so no harsh exfoliants, no harsh ingredients. Those pomegranate enzymes are drawing impurities from the pores and eating away that surface dead skin layer. So the rest of the products will work more effectively. So then you're going to rinse and pat dry. And then the next product is a really special treatment cream. It's called True Renew. It's a retinol alternative that is safe. It turns over the skin cells very, very quickly. So stimulating collagen synthesis and helping with rejuvenation and tightening. It's got upregulated cranberry biopeptides and shrubby everlasting, and you won't have any dryness or flakiness or sun sensitivity. Is actually opposite of that. You're gonna really feel it smooth things out on your skin within just a few days, and then a few months of use, your skin's gonna just feel a lot more tighter. It's gonna look smoother and brighter. And then the next step is the True Hydrate. So if you guys were using the previous anti-aging cream, it's that same formulation, but it's up-leveled with other ingredients in it that actually break up melanin or pigmented cells on our skin, so it has a brightening effect, and it's helping our skin be more resilient to further damage and further pigment problems. It's got hyaluronic acid in it, which is a natural occurring sugar molecule in our skin cells. And when we use hyaluronic acid, it's drawing 1,000 times its weight in water. So basically a very natural way to hydrate the skin. Well, if you're used to using hyaluronic acid, in one day, you're gonna actually see and feel the results of using this than if you were to use hyaluronic acid for 2 weeks. So last but not least, we've got our illuminating eye cream. It has a really beautiful cooling tip. And you can use this, by the way, before the True Hydrate or after the True Hydrate. It doesn't matter. But you're gonna dab the product underneath the eyes, and then you're gonna use a cooling tip, and you're gonna go 360 degrees around the eyes. It's going to help strengthen little vascularities underneath the eye area, which appear as dark circles. It's gonna help with puffiness, with crow's feet, with a little bit of lifting. And you guys, a little secret, use on your upper lip lines and even your entire lip. It is wonderful, again, using it twice a day. So be sure to take photos before you use the skin system, or for that matter, any of our LifeVantage products, because your body does change and it changes over time. So you want to give yourself a baseline. If you have any other questions, reach out to the person who invited you to watch this video.